Hello YouTube, this is Addie on the go, and I have been trying to live healthy, on my healthy journey, and just one of the many things I'll be featuring on this channel. I cannot tell you that I'll be just talking about one thing. I'll be talking about many things, and health and wellness is key for me. As I am approaching 52 this year, it is vital to me that I age. What is gracefully though? Am I going to be like a swan? That I just age in a healthy way. I don't want any sickness to hold me back from enjoying life. So I started, juicing more, working out more, and I want to share one of my recipes with you for purple Irish moss. You ever heard of Irish moss? Everybody has heard of Irish moss. Irish moss. Yeah. So take a look at how I make mine. I got my Irish moss, my purple sea moss from Purple Moss Paradise. So I got 16, well, half a pound. So 16 ounces, 1 pound. So I got 8 ounces. So it was like twice this size. So I took half of this size. I soaked it overnight in cold water, drained that water off, and then I boiled the water, and then I transferred the sea moss from the water it was soaking in and just let it sit, not boil, just sit in the hot water. It's been sitting now for like, what time is it? 1:26? For about 2 hours, because the water is still really warm, like warm enough for me to put my hands in. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. I am now going to take out the sea moss. Let me wash my hands. Hold on. Okay, so now that I finished washing my hands, see, nice and clean. I have short nails because I can't be bothered. Long nails hold a lot of dirt under there, so I have short nails. Anyway, I'm going to put it now in my Ninja. I'm not promoting Ninja, but it is literally one of the best blenders. Anyway, I'm taking out the moss, dropping it in here, dropping it in here. Oh, okay, so I said it wasn't really hot. Ooh, this thing is hot. Sheesh Louise. God, who knew the water was still so hot? Okay, like a fool, I want to put my hands back in there because fools never learn. So I'm going to get my wooden spoon, put it in there. I'm sure there is a more efficient way to do this, like strain it. But oh no, I just like to do things the hard way. You know what? I'm going to strain it. I'm going to strain it. So, stand by. Okay, so I strained it off. Here it is. That's it right there. So now, I can pour it in here. And I got these instructions from Purple Moss Paradise, their website. And he said to then take this water and pour it back in here. I know you'd probably say, why not just throw everything in there? Because it's too much water, right? You don't want that much water in there because you want it to be jelly. So it's probably too much, but it doesn't matter. I put just enough to cover it. See that? Just enough to cover it. I actually put a little bit more because depends on what you plan on using your sea moss for. You want to make it as thick as your sea moss. Do whatever you want with it. This is how thick I want mine. Got it. Right. So I'm just going to use mine to put in shakes. Some people bake with theirs. And what I find, when you wash it and put it in the hot water, it takes out that fishy smell. Mind you, that's what they say. I still think it smells fishy. But to be honest, not as fishy as it could be, I guess. So, take the cover of this, close it, power on. Okay, so I blended that for about a minute. And look at it. Looks runny, right? But that's okay. I have to spray that down with bleach just because if I make something else in there, I don't want it to be sea mossy. And take the middle out. Put that in there. And then I have my bottles right here. I already washed them out with hot water. I'm gonna pour it in. Pour it in. As you see, I'm just reusing things I've had before. Pour it in. Oh Lord, I have that much left. I have another bottle I washed out, so good old Clausen dill. So I'm gonna use that. So I'll fill those up and then I'll put it in the fridge. And that's it. It's my Purple Moss Paradise sea moss. Yes. So this is the sea moss after having refrigerated it for a while. See? That's how it looks.